Priya, in partnership with the Glasgow University, doing these participatory research studies, and we want to know to what extent the public health programs and services have been accessed by the adolescent boys and girls.
The participatory research process begins with a survey where we work with the community to identify the health issues that the adolescents face within the community.
Participatory survey as such is not a new thing, but couple of things would be unique in this particular participatory survey. First of all, we will do this participatory survey using mobile phones. So the data would be collected through smartphones. And second, the adolescent boys and girls, they will be the co-researcher in this study.
And it is along with the community that the researcher takes the findings to the next level.
लोगों को पता चल रहा है कि कैसी स्थिति में वो अपना जीवन व्यतीत कर रहे हैं, क्या क्या परेशानी उन्होंने अपने जीवन में झेली है।
जो एज ग्रुप है हमारा, डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप्स हैं, तो उसमें जो 16 से 19 इयर्स के जो बच्चे हैं, कुछ मैरिड बच्चे हैं और कुछ अनमैरिड हैं, तो बेसिकली उनको STD सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिसीजेस के बारे में कुछ नहीं मालूम।
So as a young researcher, the participatory research methodology has attracted me, especially while working with the adolescents, because mostly in city planning or in policy making, the age group of 10 to 19 kind of tend to lose their voice.